It's so nice. Look at that. So I just love the result. It's not really like, you know, it's just like a big wave. Wavy. Okay. A big wave. So yeah, I'm so happy. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Mama G, and today's video, guys, we will review the Heatless curling rod. This is how it looks like. Okay, so actually guys, this one is very trending in TikTok. They always use this one, and I saw one vlogger, she reviewed this exactly the same, guys, but it costs $48. So I scroll the comments, and I saw they said in AliExpress it's only $4. Okay, so I checked AliExpress and I saw this one and it only costs less than €3. So I just wanna see the difference, guys. That's why I bought this one. I want to see the difference, guys, between the $48 and less than €3, because these two have a big difference. Okay, so I just wanna see the result, because if the result is the same, $48 is too much painful from your pocket. Oh, okay, I will open it. So, okay, so it's like this, guys. Have two scrunches, okay, and one claw clip, and a long foam. Okay, it's like this. So you just have to roll your hair in this foam. Okay, so later I will show you, but before that we have to wet our hair, because this will be so the curl will be very effective and long lasting. Okay, so just a little bit, because you have to be careful. If you put guys too much water tomorrow, when you take out the curl, it's still wet, so the curl will not last. So just be careful. So okay, let's start, guys. So I just finished my shower. So as you can see, my hair is still nice. Because tomorrow and the other day is not like this. So it's too shiny. Okay, so this is my natural hair. Okay, so let's make it wet. Just a little bit, okay? Don't put too much. Just like that, just to make it wet. Okay. So next, we will put this one. So one more thing, guys, that's why I bought this one, because if you guys want to go somewhere like overnight, you know, sleep in the hotel, so this one is more formal to have. So just like that, you have to do like that, and after you have to take a little bit and turn it and put here. Okay, and then take again and put here. Cute. I don't know if it's good to take out this one, I think. Okay guys, so this is how it looks. So guys, this is how it looks like after you finish to turn your hair in this foam. Okay, so I will sleep tonight. Good night for now and see you again tomorrow. Bye! Hello everyone, good morning. I go straight here because I really want to see the result. I'm so excited. And last night I sleep well and this one does not disturb me. And one more thing, you see, look guys, it's still on the place. So for me it's a great for overnight. But we will see guys if the result is better. Okay, so I'm so excited. Okay, so let's take out. So it's easy to take out, okay, and after I love the curls, the big curl, wow. Okay. Yes, I love these curls. I love these curls, guys. Wow, so nice. I prefer big curls than smaller curls. So for me, this one is perfect. So it's easy to take out, okay. Wow, I love it. It's so nice. I love the curls. Wow. Wow, I love it. I love this. I love it, guys. I love it. It's so perfect. Okay, guys, so for me, okay, so for the price, less than €3, for the result, for the comfy when you sleep, for me, I will give it a 10. Really. It's so nice. Look at that. So I just love the result. It's not really like, you know, it's just like a big wave. Wavy. Okay. A big wave. So yeah, I'm so happy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to put like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more hair tips video. So thank you guys for watching. See you again in my next vlog. Bye.